What's up guys, in this video let's have a close look at the camera quality of the Smartron Sachin Tendulkar phone. So if you're new to my channel then make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my new videos and leave a like below. Also follow me on social media. First let's unbox it, then we'll move on to the camera samples. On opening this decently attractive white box, there's a quick guide leaflet. The phone itself, it does feel pretty light in hand for a 5.5-inch form factor. A 5V 2A Qualcomm 2.0 quick charger and a USB Type-C data cable. It comes with the latest Android Nougat version 7.1.1 out of the box with a close to stock Android user interface. Now let's have a look at some camera and video samples so that you can judge for yourself. Then I'll give my review about the camera quality. As you can see, the pictures are okay in good lighting conditions. The colors are not that vibrant or saturated enough, which I feel makes it lack that punch in overall photo quality. Also, I felt that it lacked a bit of sharpness. And it's the same with the video quality. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 4, which is priced similarly, I feel has a better camera. In low light, the camera degrades further, and in some situations, the flash doesn't help, overexposing the image. The overall camera quality is okay to above average at best and could have been much better. If you like this video, then do hit the free subscribe button for more such tech content and stay tuned for more videos on the Smartron like the full review and the scratch and bend test. Thanks for watching, keep the peace and catch you next time.